Hello there. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. This is Amnah here from My English Matters. How are you? Today is another session of our live session. So it was supposed to be yesterday. Today is Wednesday, 11 a.m. The session was supposed to be yesterday, but we had to postpone it because yesterday I was having a toothache, and I went to the dentist to get it checked out, and the dentist said it was okay. It could be like there's a piece of food in my tooth. So yesterday, as I was eating, I managed to get that piece of food out of my out of my tooth. It was stuck between two teeth. I know it sounds gross, but I just wanted to say hello and tell you why we postponed yesterday's session. So today's session is all about IE and EG, how to use it, how to use those two, IE and EG, and what's the difference between the two. So if you're watching me, so say hello. Hi, Fazliana. How are you? Hi, My English Matters. I think this is Aisha. She's behind the scenes with me. So I am going to pull up the slides here so that you can see it. Let me see. How do I put it up? Oh, yeah. I'm going to make the slides bigger today because the slides, there are a bit more words to show you today. So it's all about IE or EG. What's the difference if you've just joined me live? Hi, Suziana, Siti Haja, Muhammad Hidayat, Nur Afzan Nizam, Nigel. I don't know how to see this one. Sherwan. Madiha, thanks for saying hello to me. Please say hello. Tell me where you're from, where you're watching from, and share this post. Share the video, like it. You can even give me a heart. I love some engagement here. Hi, teacher. Somebody says here. Okay, I'm going to start now. It's called, the title of this session is called IE or EG. What's the difference? So I got the idea for doing this topic last week, or it was last week, because just a couple of weeks ago my husband actually suggested it. He said, why don't you talk about IE or EG, because a lot of people get confused between these two, and especially it's in writing. So this is related more to writing. Okay, let's go to the first slide. Right, IE and EG are both Latin abbreviations. So Latin is an ancient language. They are abbreviations. IE stands for id est and means in other words. EG stands for exempli gratia and means for example. So I hope I have pronounced those words correctly because they are Latin, they're not English words. And that's what they mean. So this is just an introduction of what IE and EG stands for. Now, tip for you to remember, I and E are the first letters of in essence, and E in EG is the first letter of example. So that will help you to remember the difference between IE and EG. And remember, IE and EG, you do not use them interchangeably. They both mean different, they have different meanings. Okay. So my personal tip to remember what EG is, example. So I put a picture of egg there. So EG sounds like egg, right? And example. So maybe you can use this to remember the next time what is EG. I hope so. And then you'll remember this photo of this, it's not a photo, it's a picture of an egg there. Right. What does IE mean? Again, IE is short for id est, a Latin phrase that means that is to say, or in other words. And how do you use it? Use it when you want to specify something. It can be used interchangeably with specifically or namely. So you use it to specify something, to clarify something that you mention in a sentence. I'll show you some examples. Sophia will be watching an action movie tonight, i.e. Black Widow. So if I replace IE with the word specifically or namely, it would sound like this. Sophia will be watching an action movie tonight, specifically Black Widow. So that means Sophia's going to watch Black Widow. She's not going to watch any other movie. She's going to be watching Black Widow tonight. Another example. The tournament is composed of 3 sports, i.e. badminton, football, and swimming. Right? Let's replace IE with specifically. The tournament is composed of 3 sports, specifically badminton, football, and swimming. So 3 sports, badminton, football, and swimming. There are no other sports in this tournament. There's only 3. So you use IE. Okay, I hope that's clear. So IE is to specify and to be clear on something or to clarify something that you have mentioned in that sentence. Now let's move on to EG. What does EG mean? EG is short for exempli gratia, a Latin phrase that means for the sake of example. So you're creating examples when you use EG. So IE, specific, you're narrowing it down. IG is example. So you are actually opening up the sentence to different examples. Use it to introduce one or more examples, but not a complete list. So when you're using it in a sentence, you are giving one or more examples, but you're not listing the whole thing. I'll show you some examples here. Sophia will be watching an action movie tonight, e.g. Black Widow, Godzilla, Monster Hunter. So Sophia will be watching either Black Widow, Godzilla, Monster Hunter, or any other action movie, right? I put Godzilla and Monster Hunter here because these are the 2 movies that we watched with the kids last week at home. I haven't watched Black Widow yet. I don't know if it's good or not. Let me know if it's good. Another example, the tournament is composed of a variety of sports, e.g. badminton, football, and swimming. So that means there are more than 3 sports in the tournament, and 3 of them are badminton, football, and swimming, because those are examples. Okay, so if I replaced the word example in EG, it would sound like this. Sophia will be watching an action movie tonight. For example, Black Widow, Godzilla, Monster Hunter. So I'm giving examples for the action movie that she's going to be watching. The tournament is composed of a variety of sports, for example, badminton, football, and swimming. Okay, I hope that's clear. So here's an extra note for you to remember. EG implies that other examples are included. So do not use etc. or etc. in the same list. So you can't, for example, you can't put etc. after swimming here. So you can't say the tournament is composed of a variety of sports, e.g. badminton, football, swimming, etc., etc. Okay, so don't use etc. when you are using EG in that sentence. All right, how to use EG and IE in writing? EG and IE are both lowercase when they show up in the middle of a sentence. So lowercase, what that means is it's not in capital letters. So here's the correct way to write it, sorry. I love Italian food, e.g. pizza, spaghetti, lasagna. Incorrect. I love Italian, e.g. with capital letters, pizza, spaghetti, lasagna. So you can see the difference here. This is lowercase, this is uppercase. So the correct way is to keep it at lowercase if it's in the middle of a sentence, but if it's at the beginning of the sentence, then it's fine, like this one. This is an uppercase EG here, but not both of them uppercase. So you would use the normal case for this for EG and IE. Most style guides recommend a period after both letters in both abbreviations. So period means a full stop, like this. E.G. not EG. So, or I.E. not just IE. Okay, so most style guides recommend this. You could just use it without the period, but if you look online, you will find that most of them have the period after both letters. In general, add a comma after EG and IE and between each example in your list if there's more than one item. So this is actually something new to me also. I usually do not use a comma after EG and IE. And so I looked it up, and it turns out that the British English style of writing, they don't usually put a comma after EG, and they also don't put a comma after IE. However, if you search online, you will find that a lot of writing, they use a comma after EG and IE. So to be safe, in general, use a comma after EG and IE. So I'll show you an example shortly. You'll see the other examples. I put commas after EG and IE. Another point is you can enclose EG and IE along with the examples in parentheses. Right, so let me show you the example here. Correct. I love Italian food, e.g. pizza, spaghetti, lasagna. So you can see there, I put the comma there. If you go back to my other slides, you'll see, if you watch the replay later, you'll see I put the comma there behind EG and behind IE. Behind or after? I would say after. Also correct. I love Italian food, parentheses, e.g., comma, pizza, spaghetti, lasagna, parentheses, full stop. Okay? Hope that's clear. Now, another thing to remember is even though exempli gratia and id est are both Latin and therefore italicized, so italicized, if you don't know what that means, is it's when the writing is a bit slanted, like this. Right? You don't need to put ed or ie in italics, right? This part I italicized this. I don't want to confuse you, but this part I italicized because I wanted to highlight this sentence, but you don't need to italicize eg or ie. So if you can see there, this is the normal Roman style. Eg here is also the Roman style. So don't italicize it, even though exempli gratia and id est are italicized. Okay? So let's recap. We're almost done here. It's a quick session, wasn't it? IE means in other words, and EG means for example. So you can use my tip on how to remember for example. EG looks like the word egg, and it also sounds like example. Okay? And IE means other words. So EG is usually you giving examples to give clarity to something, whereas IE is you are narrowing it down, you're being specific. So it's actually the opposite of EG. EG and IE are opposites. Use IE when you want to specify something. Use EG to introduce one or more examples, but not a complete list. EG and IE are both lowercase when they show up in the middle of a sentence, so you don't use uppercase for EG and IE in the middle of a sentence. Use a period after both letters, so E.G. not just EG, or I.E. not IE. Add a comma after EG and IE. So add a comma after you use it. And my last tip to remember is you don't need to put EG or IE in italics. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope it's been helpful. If you have not joined our email list yet, go to myenglishmatters.com, subscribe with your name and email address, and you'll get our 7 tips to help you speak with confidence. And every week, every Thursday, we send an email. We also send you updates about any of our courses and workshops and memberships. When the registration opens, we send them through email. All right, let me see. I have a question here from Nigel. Do you have to put a full stop in the middle and end of EG? Yes, you have to. So let's go back to that one, to that slide. This one. Was it this one? No, it was this one. Sorry, it was slide 7. See, it says most style guides recommend a period after both letters in both abbreviations. So period means full stop. So most style guides recommend. So it's recommended that you do. If you don't want to, it's fine, but most people would use a full stop in between E and G and I and E. Okay? Right. Let me see. Do I have any other questions? Looks like I don't have any other questions. So thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Inshallah, we'll do another Facebook Live session next week at 11 a.m. Tuesday. So that's all from me for today. Remember, if you have not joined us yet, go to myenglishmatters.com and subscribe with your name and email address, and we'll send you emails every Thursday. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much. Bye. Assalamualaikum.